At iTech, we are committed to helping you develop your Welsh language skills. Join the 2050 initiative to reach 1 million Welsh speakers and be part of Welsh history. Welsh is one of the fastest growing languages in the UK. From healthcare to construction, hospitality to IT, Welsh is a valuable skill to learn in every industry.
I'm part of iTech as the assessor group. I like to encourage all my learners to speak Welsh. Some of them are Welsh speaking, which is great because they help me then, especially with homework and things, because I'm learning Welsh myself. Every Thursday afternoon, iTech has given me that time to do that.
Ymunwch â ni I gefnogi menter Cymraeg 2050 Llywodraeth Cymru. Gyda'n gilydd, gallwn gyflawni miliwn o siaradwyr Cymraeg. Join us in supporting the Welsh Government's Cymraeg 2050 initiative. Together, we can achieve 1 million Welsh speakers. Learn Welsh, embrace opportunity.